Hello guys, how are you? This is the Lumia 1020 41 megapixel camera. Today I will show you how to disassemble Nokia Lumia 1020. First of all, some intro of Lumia 1020. 41 megapixel camera, 2 GB RAM, Windows phone. Now I disassemble Lumia 1020. First of all, you have to open the nuts of Lumia 1020. Now you will have to open the side panel of Lumia 1020 just like this. Carefully remove the panel from the board. There are two ICs which are attached to the board. Here the display panel of Lumia 1020. Carefully remove the ring so it could not grow. Here are the bolts which you will release in this video. Now disconnect the battery wire from the board. The charging IC of the board. Now you have to open the bolts. Remove the camera cover and also remove the camera from the board. Carefully remove the camera. Open the lock nut of 1020. You will see here. All the nuts are removed. Now remove the earpiece and hand-free jack of Lumia 1020 carefully. Remove the battery. Remove the panel. Now remove the board from the main casing of Lumia 1020. All things have been done. This is the disassembling of Lumia 1020. If you want to remove the flash side of Lumia 1020, you have to unlock these three bolts which are attached in the main casing. First one and the second one and third and fourth. 4 bolts should remove to unlock the lens cover of Lumia 1020. All the parts are being gathered after the disassembling of Lumia 1020. Here are the parts that will use to make the 1020: camera, hand-free, microphone jack, 41 megapixel camera, ball bearing. It have a ball bearing, so your photos should not be blurred again. Board of Lumia 1020, 2 GB RAM, 1.5 dual core processor, 32 GB internal memory. SIM tray of Lumia 1020, battery 2000 mAh battery. It gives good battery timing. That's the panel of Lumia 1020, and as you see, the front camera and proximity sensor attached in it. This is the cable of panel Lumia 1020. Here how to disassemble the Lumia 1020. Goodbye friends, thank you.